Quite often when I'm video editing to music, I find that I don't want to use the whole music track. What am I gonna do with the 2 to 3 minute song if the part of the video that I'm editing is only 20 seconds long? Do I just hard cut the remaining unused part of the music? Such an awesome tour. For myself, it's the best time I've had so far on this Euro trip. No, did you hear how the music just ended so abruptly? So that's not how you do it. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly shorten music. Alright, first you gotta know how to count music properly. Most songs these days are made up of musical phrases consisting of 4 groups or bars of 4 beats. So we would count through a song like 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, and so on. This is important to know because you don't want to stop a song all of a sudden in the middle of a musical phrase. That would be like playing just 2.5 bars of music rather than 4 full bars. So let's go through our song and set aside an ending first. Right here. You can hear the bass climb up. It goes like dum dum dum, and it ends with that dum, that note right there. I'm gonna leave a marker right there on the last note. I want to know which beat this ending lands on, so I'm going to count from the beginning of this musical phrase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7. There you have it. The last note that this song gives us lands on the first beat of the 7th bar. This means, you see over here, we have an 8-bar musical phrase. If we're going to connect that ending to this part here, so ending somewhere here, we have to connect it to the first beat of the 7th bar here. So let's count here as well. On the island of Viz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7. So this is where this ending needs to connect. So I'm going to split that track here. Oh, let's split the track over here as well. Oh, no, we don't want to delete the video clips. So I'm just going to move this here, shift these 2 clips. Okay. You know what? I'm going to get rid of that video clip right there. And just to connect everything a bit more, I'm going to crossfade the 2 sections and move it back like this. Let's see how it sounds. And move it back a little bit more. I want that dum dum dum, that climbing bass line to have like that you can hear it more. So that's why I'm bringing the crossfade earlier into the song. Yeah, it's starting to sound really good. Let's make this crossfade shorter. Let's see what this looks like. Good morning.
Hey y'all.
We are just at a bakery having our breakfast. We're gonna eat these real quick and then we're gonna head over to the tour company because today we have a boat trip going around the island of Viz. And that's how you shorten music the right way. Doing this allows you to jump smoothly from one mood to another all in one video project. If you found this video helpful, leave us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos on how to take your YouTube channel to the next level. Thanks.